What was that, man?
2.8.
Man, they getting down, man. I told you, the next they coming up. What's going on, y'all? We're gonna fix and do a Camaro. It is a 2011 Chevy Camaro. Let me show y'all what we're gonna put in it. Here's a car right here. Guys, if you're gonna be doing a car audio system, clean your trunk out. We're gonna be going with the Sonido Mass. This is a 2000 ZX 2000.1. We're gonna be doing with the 4-gauge wiring kit, high-low, and we got Calvin in the house. What's up, Calvin? We're gonna be going with the 2 DB drive WDX Series 8s in a custom build box in the trunk. So let's get to it, and we'll see y'all when we get some progress done. Alright guys, once you take out the cover, spare tire, you will get your battery right here. This is where we're going to do our power and ground connections for the amp, and we're going to all wire it up. So got Juan over here wiring up the speakers. Here we gotta take all these clips off. and get to the factory amplifier. Yeah. He didn't do movement, but it sounded good. No, yo se la vendí a otro vato. Sí, tenía otros rines. Tenía 26. Tenía 4 10. Ah, mamá, no, no. Take all these screws off. These. Hey. Para que se lo termine, pues yo no voy a terminar el mugrero de otra persona. Aquí, venga. Here, you gotta get to your factory amp. ¿Dónde está? Ahí viene, acá. Ahí viene el muchacho. Ahí viene el señor. Necesito ver cuánto sale la pintura. Sí, como la que te pintó pedo, se mira bien pinche pálido la. Alright guys, so you want to do is find your subwoofer channel. If you're just doing a subwoofer, then you just tap into the subwoofer, factory subwoofer on the factory amp. This one has the Boston Acoustics, so it's amplified. So you gotta locate the amp on the Camaro. It's on the left hand side of the trunk, and then you just push. That's it right there. This is it right here. And what you gotta do is on this middle plug right here, you will have your speaker wires, which will be you will have your speaker wires right here, which your subwoofer wire is green, like green. That was right here. So you get your T-taps. I use T-taps. If the customer wants soldering, I'll solder it. But if they don't, we just use the T-taps. Your light green is going to be your positive. Your dark green is going to be your negative. Get your RCAs, plug them in. Alright, once you get that hooked up, put this back, get your RCAs. Set your high-low Make sure it's nice and sturdy and don't move around. ¿Qué está haciendo, Juanito? Alright, and then we just put the slack this way. See, slap your hand back in place. Tighten your nut. Tighten it down, which is a 10 millimeter. Tighten that down. And now get this. Get your things over here. Take that off. Then you can scoot this out of the way. You can just zip tie your wire. Follow this factory wiring. Get your axis. Get it all back together. Make sure you put all your screws and stuff back in. Power, our fuse holder for that. We're gonna get our power wire. You kind of measure where you're gonna put your fuse. Stick it in your fuse holder like that. And you get your alien. Make sure that they're nice and good. Tighten it. Grab your other end. Damn. Alright, now on the accessory wire, the best place to get it is right here on the cigarette lighter, because that actually keeps your system running, everything running until you open the door. And all that does, all you do is that, and just put this back. And you got to be careful you don't scratch nothing. Or turn on the air, which is this wire right here, the red. Run your wire up and I will get back with you when we get hooked up. Alright guys, we're all finished. Now I do not have the copyright to this music, so just hang with me.
United picture fan. Give me an airplane just to go out like another. I'ma be rich. Everything about me is I'm official. Red Charlie, you know that we did it, you ain't gonna slide. I know they need me, I don't give a head. And I'm like, yeah, I can't trust nobody. I need.
What was that, man?
2-8.
Man, they getting down, man. I told you, the makes they coming up, man.
Appreciate that, bro.
All right, man, and we out.